excitement and passion, but in this place, nothing grows.
G'day.
What was it?
Well, my dad threw our luggage in the water, so that's good.
Plenty of time. Going to catch the boat to Ulva Island. We leave at 1 o'clock. Walk
Just
around
the two
there.
of us.
Yep. Dennis and Elise are doing something else, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, having a tour in the van. So we're just going down to the ferry. Now, there we go. There's our ferry. Yeah. Such a lovely day.
Make yourself comfortable anywhere.
It's never love, 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 just an imitation.
Well, they're having a nice sleep, aren't they?
Even when he finds somebody, he finds a reason to let her go. No idea why he does this, no idea. Heaven knows, like a rat in a maze, he spends his days looking for ways to be free. But when he's out, it's filled with doubt. Is this the way he wants to be? Love, 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 just infatuation. It's never love, 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 just infatuation. In the spring his new love blossoms, in the spring his new love goes, but in the fall it falls over, in the fall his new love goes. No idea where my love goes, oh no it won't stay. It was going strong when we started, but now we want to